How to share your live location on Snapchat. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your live location on Snapchat. Without further ado, let's get started. Before heading on within the Snapchat app, let's just visit App Store or your Play Store, and let's make sure that our Snapchat application is up to date. So just type in your search bar Snapchat and click on Snapchat. And as you can see, there is an update button, so just click on that so that you will have the latest features and that we will be facing the same user interface, and so you will be guided all throughout. However, if it says open, that means that your Snapchat is currently up to date. So assuming that I am now done updating my Snapchat app, I'm just going to head on and open Snapchat right here. And from the camera page, just swipe to the right so that you will go to the chats page. And here you will see all the conversations with your friends, and just choose a certain friend or a certain conversation. And you can also search for them right here. Just type in their name, for example. Click on that. You can click on a conversation and head to their profile by clicking on their name at the top. After that, you can immediately see the Snap Map section right here that have two options: share my location or share my live location. So if you want to share your live location, just simply click on this, and you can also choose a duration, so your friend will see your real-time location for the duration, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 8 hours. So you can set it as you like. And make sure that you will only use this feature with your trusted friends and families, and if it is really needed, and if you just trust that friend or family member or your loved ones. So that is how you can basically share your live location on Snapchat. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.